Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure you have the new network name and password ready. This avoids interruptions mid-change. Open the Google Home app on your phone and confirm you're signed into the same Google account used to set up the Mini. Once done, plug the Mini in and wait for the steady light. This indicates it's online. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone so the app can find devices, and stay within a few meters for reliable setup. You'll now change the network. Tap the Mini's device card, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi. First, select Forget this network to clear the old credentials. This step forces the device to reconfigure. After forgetting, use the app Setup Device Flow and pick new devices in your home. The app will scan and prompt you to connect to your new SSID. Follow the voice and on-screen prompts to enter the password. This ensures the Mini gets the right credentials and DNS info. Finish by letting the Mini update and complete any voice match or personalization prompts the app offers, since that syncs features to the new network. Test connectivity by asking for the time or weather. Slow or no response usually signals a network issue. If the Mini fails to connect, reboot your router and phone, then try again. As a last resort, perform a factory reset by holding the device's reset button for about 10 seconds. This clears persistent network problems and lets you start the setup fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.